Today, I'm putting ChatGPT to the test to see if it can really boost my job prospects by 10 times. Let's see if I can make some serious money online. If you are new to our channel, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The concept of ChatGPT is taking the digital world by storm, and it's about time we tap into its potential to revolutionize the way we approach job hunting. In today's competitive landscape, it's not just about having the right skills, but also about being able to showcase them in a way that sets you apart from the rest. In a job market flooded with resumes and cover letters, it's becoming increasingly difficult for job seekers to stand out. Many of us have invested countless hours in crafting the perfect resume, only to end up lost in a sea of applications. The reality is, most hiring managers don't have the time to thoroughly review every single resume that lands on their desk. That's why it's crucial to find ways to make your application more noticeable, more engaging, and more memorable. We've all been there, pouring our hearts out into a cover letter, only to get rejected without even getting a chance to showcase our skills in an interview. It's demotivating, to say the least. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script and make your application so compelling that it grabs the attention of the hiring manager from the get-go? The sad truth is, many job seekers are struggling to make ends meet, stuck in a cycle of rejection and disappointment, but it doesn't have to be that way. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can skyrocket your job prospects, land more interviews, and ultimately, increase your earnings. ChatGPT can be a game changer when it comes to resume building. Its advanced language processing capabilities can help you craft a resume that's tailored to the specific job you're applying for, highlighting your strengths and achievements in a way that resonates with the hiring manager. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also assist with interview preparation, providing you with potential questions and answers, and even helping you practice your responses. With ChatGPT, you can perfect your communication skills, learning how to articulate your thoughts and ideas in a clear and concise manner. This is especially useful for those who struggle with nerves during interviews, or need help with writing compelling emails and messages. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a marketing professional who was struggling to land a job after being out of the workforce for a few years. She stumbled upon ChatGPT and decided to give it a shot. With its help, she crafted a resume that showcased her skills and experience in a way that immediately caught the attention of hiring managers. She also used ChatGPT to prepare for interviews, practicing her responses and perfecting her communication skills. The result? She landed not one, not two, but 3 job offers from top companies in her industry. Sarah's success story is just one example of how ChatGPT can be used to significantly improve job prospects. By leveraging its capabilities, you can enhance your resume, ace your interviews, and increase your earning potential. To recap, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you boost your job prospects by 10 times. By utilizing its features, you can stand out in a competitive job market, land more interviews, and ultimately make more money online. So, have you used ChatGPT or any other AI tools to improve your job prospects? Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my other videos for some amazing tips and strategies, like share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for your continuous support.